quick disclaimer, I'm going to be talking for a little bit. So, if you guys just want to skip me talking, go in the description and I'll have the time when I shut up. Cool? Okay. So, basically what this is my brother's Christmas present for me this year, 2017. I know this is 2018. I was in Florida, so I didn't really get a chance to edit it. Then we got a puppy, so, again, didn't really have a chance to edit, so I went ahead and did it. Now I'm posting it. This is my favorite video I've ever edited, ever made. So, please like and subscribe if you guys are new. But, anyways, so what this is, it's my brother's present for me. It's a baseball/football card advent calendar, panini, and tops. So this video is going to be him opening up all the packs, all of them. So it is a little lengthy. So that's why you guys might want to skip me. After each video, I'll have a picture of the top cards from that pack, so you guys can get a better look if you want. Or just skip to those pictures, or just wait and I'll put out a recap with all the best cards. So if that's what you want to do, just go ahead and do that. So, really appreciate, guys, as I said, if you'd give this video a like. And if you want to see my brother talk about it and what his thoughts or anything, or my family, I can do that for you guys. I would love to do that. This is my favorite video I've ever made on my channel, and it will be for a while, because this is just so awesome. It would be so cool if one of you guys could do this for, like, your brother, your parents, your kid. I don't know who watches my videos. But anyways, it would be awesome if one of you guys could do that. That'd be super cool. I think my grandpa, I'm not sure how he felt about it, because he kept, like, saying, ooh, are we ruining Christmas again? Not ruining, but it was like, are we spoiling the spirit of Christmas or something because we were opening it early? I don't know. But, so some of them are filmed in a different house, because that's when I was in Florida. So you'll hear my grandma, my aunt, my grandpa in the background. So, yeah. But thank you guys. Make sure to enjoy the video. And I really hope you guys enjoy this video, because it's my favorite video I've ever made.
So we got a top spider hanger thing. I want to see what's in here. If I can open it. So, and Amir Garrett.
So you don't have to show the cards.
Steven Garrett. Jordan Montgomery. Jesse Vernon Montgomery. Sam Tyler Eifert. And Yamada Darbo.
Give you all my red trophies. That's where they went.
And now let's open the hanger pack. So, Bo Jackson, Steve Carlton, Roberto Clemente, Pironirko, Omar Vizquel, Chris Sale, flamethrowers, Chris Bryant, and Carl Yastrzemski, there's the blue, and Ian Happ, Cody Bellinger, Jake Arrieta, and the Yasmani Grandal. That was fun. Oh, come on. Woo! Is this one of the games they got? I think that's a filler card.
Or not.
See, it looked thick. I feel like it is thick. Okay, anyway, let's go back. So, oh, this is only backwards.
Yeah, I know it is right there. Things they say extra points.
Dang it.
They're still pretty cool though. And Joe Mixon.
So that's Joe Green. Alvin Kamara. That's a cool card. Kim Newton. Taller in the NFL. That was a good one.
What kind of pack was it, Sally?
Prestige.
Is it a Barbie?
That is definitely hot.
So we've got a little pack of cards from Beckett. And wait, is this hobby?
Yeah.
Oh. And a hobby pack of 2017 Dotman football. So first, let's open the thing.
Oh, the thing.
This. I like that guy. He's good.
John Ross.
Ooh. Thank you for that. That was awesome.
So we got some Griffies, John Ross,
Anthony
Anthony Rizzo.
Please hold me a filler.
I'm obviously less interested in the football
Oh,
cards.
it's not a filler. Number to 99 Sterling Shepherd patch. That's cool.
Yes, I thought I vented after and I'm like, there's something in here. Is it a filler though? Nice.
Yeah.
First hit.
Okay, I'll put that back into this. AP.
Madara,
Madara,
Rated
Rookie. Isaiah Ford.
Wow.
That is cool. Another fire hanger pack. Ooh. Oh yeah. Oh.
Number pair.
So $2.99. Jose Canseco.
Sully,
Sorry.
show the card.
Oh, okay.
Gonna make noises about the
Yeah.
card. Let us see it.
Yeah.
I mean,
Shiny.
My new favorite card.
yeah, he's
Ooh,
my
a
favorite player.
Dylan Betances flamethrowers.
Cool.
And there's the blue thing, Jonathan VR. And then we have him and him. Oh, yay. Wilson Contreras. So, we got a nice hit that I know Beckett had, that I wanted a lot. A Travis Blankenhorn 2015 Panini Contenders off-card autograph. Oh, Topps Chrome Hobby regular. So, an Adam Wainwright. A Steven Matz Future Stars. That's a Noah Mazzara. And a Matt Carpenter. So this is a retail jumbo Topps 2017 baseball update series.
Did you get me an Ian yet?
No, and he's not flipping the card.
Got anybody awesome yet, Sally?
Not really.
How about a Todd
I
Frazier?
got a Dylan Betances. Does that count?
Yep. How about a Todd Frazier? I'd like a Todd Frazier.
Oh, Wade Davis. All-Star game. A Albert Pujols. Something. All Rookie Cup 2002 Topps.
I'm still mad at him for how mean he always was to the Reds.
Ricky Henderson.
I think those who can have the variation numbering on the back.
I don't know. They got a Dexter Fowler 30th anniversary. A Chicago White Sox postseason celebration. Whoa. It was snowy in Chicago. There's a lot of white confetti. Ha! Yes. Chris Godwin, when he flipped over, got it. An Ichiro. Yes! Charlie Blackmon Home Run Derby. I've been collecting those. I didn't have one.
Beckett, does he PC them? Did I do it right?
Derek Fisher, rookie. Dansby Swanson, rookie debut. A Giancarlo Stanton All-Star game. And Justin Turner All-Star game. I doubt it.
Travel day calendar opening.
Yeah. So we have. Is this hobby? I don't know. I don't see
Yes.
the H. Okay. So, ooh, finally, an Aaron Judge rookie card from Beckett. I'm assuming.
Well, I didn't put it there.
And let's open up these Panini Phoenix hobby pack. Oh shoot!
Panini doesn't have the H.
Shoot, it's Panini. I'm like, shoot. I forgot that I had to open it that way.
Why is it shoot? It's Panini. I'm so confused.
Because the way you have to open it is.
Oh,
So,
I thought you didn't like him and I could give him to a different kid.
So we have a Miles Garrett rookie,
Rookie's good, right?
a Triumph.
Triumphant.
Oh, it looks like there's a space. First NFL start, Tom Brady.
Is it numbered? I think it should be. Or not?
Not
I thought I saw.
We have Emmitt Smith,
Oh, I never even heard of him.
pink.
Hi, G.
Hello.
Random calendar opening in Tennessee.
Emmitt Smith, pink.
Is it numbered? That should be it.
Numbered 53 of 199.
Pink, she's really good.
A Terrell Davis. And a LaShawn McCoy. You know, I think there's this thing called. Oh, I haven't gotten one of these yet. 2017 Absolute Football Hanger Value Pack with 20 of them. And I really like Absolute. Okay, so we've got a Gronk, a Brian Hoyer, Andrew Luck, Mike Wallace, Tyrod Taylor, Joey Bosa, Alan Hearns, Devontae Freeman, Ryan Tannehill. We have a Fantasy Flashbacks of YA title.
Tittle.
Tittle. We have a Eric Ebron Hurdles.
Is that the card? You have like 3 of them now.
No, that's a different guy.
Oh!
We got an auto. Numbered to 269/400. Rookie reflex is Jordan Leggett autograph.
Wow. That's retail.
And then we have Zeke. And then we have Trevor Simeon. I know you like that one, Beckett. Sam Bradford, Julian Edelman, Melvin Gordon, T.Y. Hilton, Lamar Miller, and Jarvis Landry. First we have Topps Chrome Cody Bellinger rookie for my Cody Bellinger collection.
Nice.
And a hobby pack of Topps Baseball 2017 Update Series Jumbo. Something thick. You have something.
Okay, I gotta tell you, when we got it at the card shop, the guy told us there was something in it.
Okay.
I bet it's just a spacer.
They don't exist in
Filler.
Pops.
It's an ad for next year.
A Buster Posey 2012 Hank Aaron Award commemorative.
You're gonna have to hide that from Aunt Katie.
Ooh, that's great.
Why not skip right to it?
Yeah, that's what I do. Whenever I see it, so I'll put
That's
that back.
awesome.
All right. What else you
That's
got?
in there. Yeah.
A Brett Ebner.
Ian Happ.
Ian.
All right.
Becca's wearing Ian.
Yeah.
Cody Bellinger rookie. Cody Bellinger
Rookie debut.
All right.
Dansby Swanson walk-off card.
Ooh.
Aaron Judge home run derby.
All right.
Nice. There.
Oh, what's that?
Do you want to see
Oh,
that
that's
again? We have the last part of my advent calendar / Christmas present from my brother, Flash-22, aka Beckett. So,
That's the only picture getting it.
let's just open
Oh.
it.
What?
So
Oh.
oh my!
What?
It is these are cool and I wanted one. It's a 2015 Panini Elite Baseball,
Oh, wow.
and they have like an autograph in each one.
I'm gonna grab from my memorial card. Here, I'll open
Yeah.
it for you.
Yeah.
Mess.
Dr. Beckett.
We really need to buy you one of those Tops knives.
Yeah,
They
or
have their own.
Panini.
Panini makes
I don't
them?
think Topps.
Yeah.
I
Well,
don't
if they're watching this video, they should send Beckett one.
Yeah.
'Cause I don't really like the 10-year-old near the Exacto.
Okay, come on. There. I had it. Even though I like. Oh right, it's Panini. So it's even though it's a hobby box, it's still hard. So it looks like it has 4 packs.
Box for my collection.
Open them, I guess.
I mean, you don't have to.
I think I feel like it. So Robinson Cano,
Ooh.
Giancarlo Stanton.
Oh, in the wrong uniform.
We have a gold status Victor Martinez, a David Price with Vanderbilt, and a Josh Donaldson with Auburn.
Wow, those are all good ones. People I know.
I can't use that standard with football
These are like
cards. There are only
one
like 4
of
good
very
ones.
few Panini packs you can open without doing that. we got a Adam Jones, a Yasiel Puig, a All-Star
Katie should have made an appearance on
Salute
that.
Adam Wainwright, a Carlos Beltran, and Alex Cobb.
Beltron retired card.
Best packs for last.
Beltron
maybe?
Yankee card, I think. 2 years ago.
Or not, because it's got something thick in it. So what I will do is
No, stop.
Just
You're such a cheater.
it's last now. So Gregory Polanco, Glenn Perkins, Matt Carpenter, Nelson Cruz, and the hit is a Yorman Rodriguez Reds rookie future threads.
Ooh.
So Reds player.
nice.
Yeah.
So might as well open up the last one.
Yeah, I guess you can open it.
Yasmani Tomas, Troy Tulowitzki. We got
that's my
a
number.
number to 199, 21st century Salvador Perez.
Nice. It doesn't actually mention it, but
We
I'd
have
seen.
a collegiate elite Jacoby Ellsbury
It seemed there tends to be a numbered card in each box.
He's a
and
collegiate?
Pete Rose.
What college?
Where did he go to college?
Ellsbury.
LSU. I
Pete
think.
Rose?
No,
No.
OSU. Oregon
Oklahoma
State.
State.
Oklahoma.
Oklahoma
Oh,
State.
Oklahoma or
No,
Oregon?
Oregon
or-
State. is
Sully.
Thank you.
What do you think of that present? Wow.
A good ending?
Yeah.
Should you maybe get Beckett a present since he's been waiting
Yeah,
10
yeah,
days
yeah.
of giving
You
you
know.
presents?